This modern duplex has a spacious ensuite with features that tie in beautifully with the rest of the home. The tub is actually in the shower area of this primary bathroom, creating a large wet space area. This was done to provide more room for the white oak vanity with 2 sinks and wall-mounted faucets. The quartz countertop features subtle gold veining, a color that's picked up in the mirror frames, the fixtures, and the whimsical wallpaper. This wall covering is actually repeated in the downstairs powder room, this time in a darker version, bringing such cohesiveness to the home. Wallpaper is a great way to add visual interest and texture to a monochromatic space. A large window captures the view and provides natural light while still affording the homeowners plenty of privacy. This expansive home in Anmore features not just one ensuite, but 2. Her bathroom is feminine, bright, and spacious. It has a double-sided fireplace that is shared with the primary bedroom. Her ensuite includes large format floor tiles and glossy subway wall tiles that surround the large tub. There is also floor-to-ceiling built-in cabinetry and a vanity. Place a makeup vanity next to a window to capitalize on the natural light. The cabinets are all painted this soft Icelandic blue, a color that's picked up again in the nearby laundry room. His ensuite, located right across the hall, gives off a completely different vibe, one that's definitely dark and moody. It features large format floor and shower tiles, a steam shower, a toilet, and one very unique feature, its own urinal. This modern home in Chilliwack maximizes the views of the Fraser Valley even in the primary bathroom. The ensuite has a beautiful marble-lined shower with a bench seat. The large vanity features 2 sinks and cabinetry that matches the millwork in both the living room and on the kitchen island. If you have the space, a shower bench is a great addition. It can enrich the look of a bathroom and help prevent bathroom-related injuries. The tub is the main attraction here. It's located right in front of the floor-to-ceiling windows. There aren't many places where you can have views like this right from your bathroom without the need for window coverings. On to another Chilliwack home now, one that makes the ensuite the focal point of one wing of the house. Walking down the hall, you come to the massive shower with full-height glass, once again taking advantage of those valley views. It has a linear drain and is wired for sound for the ultimate spa experience. If you go with a linear drain, be sure to clean it regularly. This style is more prone to getting clogged. On the other side of the shower wall, a really big vanity with a makeup area, 2 sinks, and well-lit mirrors. The floor is made of large format rectangular tiles in a similar shade to the countertops. The soaker tub placed by the large windows takes advantage of the soothing scenery on the other side of the home.